Today I'm collaborating with a few other lovely YouTubers, so I will leave the link to the playlist for you to check out the videos in the description box. The first thing I'm using is this basket that I got from the thrift store, and we're going to give it a new life, something it's probably never ever been used for before. And to do that I am using my terrarium. This is a moss terrarium. You can see it's doing really well actually. Now you can pretty much get moss anywhere. I got this from the park, so you can do that or have a look around your garden. Begin by lining your basket. Now we're going to hang it this way, so you want everything right on the side here. So here it is. I've just placed all of my moss on the base of this basket. Now I haven't chosen to spray paint this because I want to keep it as natural looking as possible. Now I'm just making a little bit of space because we're going to be taking this nest and placing it just sideways to make it look interesting, and I am letting a little bit of this moss pop up just on the side here. And then we're going to place a little bit of moss inside the nest as well. I love how these are just popping out, really cute. And then I'm taking these speckled eggs and placing them inside. And then I have taken 3 artificial flowers in a nice purple colour, and I'm going to just place it in the moss inside here. So I haven't used any glue for any of this. Going to just place it in there, and then you're going to place one on the side and one up here. Then I'm going to make use of this little bit of greenery. I've added blue tack just so I can stick it down temporarily, but you can of course use hot glue or anything you like. And I'm just going to slip it in right at the bottom here, but we want it poking out onto the side of the wicker basket, so I'm just going to cover this a little bit up with moss. We want to make it look a bit more natural. I'm going to be making use of this bird that I got from Hobbycraft. I'm just going to remove this part here with some pliers. And then again you're just going to secure it with your glue. I'm just using my blue tack again, and then I'm just attaching that just to the side of the basket. And to me it's all about the little details. So for example, you can stick him like this, but I feel like that looks a bit too static for me. So if you just stick him at an angle, it looks like he is flying and he's just going to land in the nest. So that makes it more interesting. So I'm just going to stick him down on there. And here's the final project. This was so quick and easy, but it just goes to show you don't need much, you don't need expensive things to put something together that comes out really nicely. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you can stay and click that subscribe button. And if you've enjoyed this tutorial, leave me a like and a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.